Watch me! I'm reloading! Low ammo! Ammo! Low!
Сейчас я вызову другое.
Где там? Где-то как заряжается она?
Да, да. Подойди ко мне.
Я буду. Я смотрю, там вертолет самая пиздатая. Что с тобой? Ты чё?
Woman. No. You can hear Amy. Yes, you can.
Can you? I thought you could hear reloads, I didn't think you could hear aiming.
Yeah, the Amy. That, you can hear it.
Don't move, блядь.
Rushed him. Go crazy, bro.
Can't
Go
hear you.
crazy,
You can
bro.
only see him.
Bro, go crazy.
No, even if he has the wave, he should hide, because we need to get to C. Because if he dies, we lose immediately.
Stupid.
Ah!
That works, I guess.
Why?
That was great.
Блядь,
I
американцы
did
так смешно
essentially
говорят,
nothing. I just
блядь.
joined and that's it.
Why, блядь?
Bro, that was pretty tense though. You can't lie. That was like a stand up in a movie.
Бля, у меня почему-то не пишет видео видео в этой игре, блядь.
Hey, fuck you. Fuck you.
I fucking cleared out all of them, holy shit!
Damn, dude. Oh, shit.
Блядь, они начинают ругаться, блядь. Так серьезно относятся к игре, блядь.
That was pretty nice of you to call a helicopter when they got 0 tickets left. I know,
Чего он
right?
сказал? Я не слышал, я наушник снял.
Благодарю тебя.
Потому что он его убил.
Oh, it's a good map here.
Finished its run, bye for now, guys. Station out.
You're the Canadian. Don't you ever call me that. I am not Canadian. Sound like it. Securing Delta! Canadian Mongolian.
I'll frag it!
Ты лёг? Или ты сдох?
Wrong way, and guy over there. Guys, wrong way. Oh my god.
Ты сдох?
Need some suppressor fire on these bitches. Way the fuck back there to the left, southwest. M14.
Where the fuck is everyone?
Come out with your hands up, boy.
Hell no.
Come out, your hands up.
Nope.
Mr. Long Rifle, we are currently 1 and 22. Care to comment?
Shit!
Reloading!
Allahu Akbar!
I killed them all myself! On the ground now! I need to fire smoke artillery on this target. How come? Ah! Stop! It's outgoing! It's outgoing! Come on! We ain't got all day!
Feliz.